In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Wix website. Adding a map can really enhance your site, offering visitors an easy way to find your location or visualize where your event is taking place. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to Wix.com. Open up your browser, type in Wix.com, and hit Enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, look for the option that says Log In or Sign In at the top right corner. Click on that and enter your login credentials to access your Wix account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first to proceed. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll find a button labeled Select Site. This option allows you to choose from any of the websites you've created within Wix. Go ahead and click on Select Site and choose the website where you'd like to add Google Maps. Now that you're in the site editor, look for the option that says Design Site. Click on that, and it will take you to the editing environment where you can make changes and add elements to your site. In the site editor, locate and click on the Add Elements option, usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. This button is your go-to tool for adding new features and components to your site, including text, images, and more importantly, Google Maps. Once in the Add Elements menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Contact and Forms. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Maps. This is where you'll find the Google Maps component you want to add. After clicking Maps, you'll be presented with a selection of map styles and layouts that you can use. Browse through the list and select the map that best fits your site's aesthetic and needs by clicking on the thumbnail. With your preferred map selected, the next step is to add it to your site. Look for the button that says Add to Site and give it a click. The map will automatically position itself on your page, usually in a default location. Once the map is on your page, you can drag it around to reposition it where you see fit. You can also click on it to access the settings, where you can customize the address, zoom level, and appearance based on your preference. And just like that, you've added a Google Map to your Wix website. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting to make sure everything stays as you've set it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your visitors will appreciate the added functionality of seeing your location directly on your site. Thanks for watching, and happy site editing.